Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to take a real quick look here at the eyeball vent. Now, these are made out of metal and they go in the rear seats to give ventilation to the passengers. So let's take a little bit of a look at these products. They're available in both plastic and the aluminum, and the aluminums will not wear and corrode and break apart. So they're the preferred ones. They're available from Aircraft Spruce. So let's talk a little bit more about the eyeball vents in the rear of your airplane.
I'd like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So let's take a look at the all aluminum eyeball vent. Now, it allows air to pass through it. It mounts to the side of the fuselage. There are 4 holes in it, and they are spaced equally around it. There's a gasket that goes against to prevent any air loss, and it usually goes over a plenum that's built into the rear of the cabin that most people have stuffed a piece of Scotch-Brite or the scrunchies that you use to clean your dishes with, and that helps keep the bugs from climbing in and coming through the air vent. That will be particularly useful in climates where you have a lot of wasps and bees that like to find places to hide. But the eyeball vent is a very simple fixture. It has what's called the eyeball that my fingers are holding, and you can direct it. So you can point it straight out, you can point it to the side, you can point it around. It's mobile, it moves about a bit, so you can direct the airflow from where you want. And then that knurled section is a ring that you can grab and you can turn it either left or right. And when you turn it one way, it closes the vent, and when you turn it the other way, it opens the vent, so you can adjust how much air is coming through the vent. So we have 2 of them in the back of our airplanes. Again, the ones that came in our airplanes are plastic. They are getting kind of brittle and chipped and falling apart, but these aluminum ones are not all that expensive. They're like $45 or $50 a piece, but they're available from Aircraft Spruce. It takes a little bit to find them, but that's what we buy and that's what we stock in the shop. Now, they also make a wide variety of these air vents also out of plastic, so you can replace the plastic ones. They're a little bit bigger, they allow more airflow, but again, it's a new product that you can add to your airplane. So this is the eyeball vent that we have in the back of our airplanes, especially the 4-seat aircraft for the rear passengers. But it's a nice, useful product. The gaskets will wear, but they can be replaced. There's nothing critical about the gasket other than the fact that it keeps dirt and debris from blowing through the vent and getting into the cabin. So, ladies and gentlemen, there's a real quick look at the eyeball vents that are in the rear of our airplanes. We hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And ladies and gentlemen, here's the newest member of our family, unnamed yet, but this cute little 5-week-old kitten is now a new member of the family, and I'm going to have to warn you, she is just filled with adorableness. She is so cute. When she went to the vent, they all oohed and awed over, and there's my hand for reference on what size the kitten is. So stay tuned for some more film. We'll be having this kitten appear as she grows up and becomes a bigger part of the family. Thank you.